Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. As you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and after that we will be transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is quite impressive, I would say. So basically all we have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, maybe, I don't know, maybe French, and let's tap on it. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to use. As you can see, the French has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the French language, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And wait a second, of course, be patient. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, so in my case, French. So let me do it again. So let me tap on the English, hold it, and drag it to the first position in order to apply the English one. So as you can see, the same situation. And basically that's all. Of course, if you want, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Just mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Here we have to confirm it with OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.